Everybody, come along with me as I make me some lunch. I don't have a particular way on how I make my lunch. When you guys see me posting here on me doing my little mukbangs and whatnot, I don't have a particular way of doing anything, like at all. Like I just freehand it. I just freehand it. So I want to show you what I'm making. So this is just some turkey bacon with some tomato, yellow onion, like a little sausage link. As that's getting started, I'm going to make myself some mushroom coffee. So I'll be showing you guys that too. Okay, don't come at me in the comments, but I have this. I'm gonna switch all this stuff over here. So I'm gonna grab half of this and then half of that. Because you know your girl doesn't really eat a lot. That's gonna be for another burrito. So we got that. I'm gonna add this. And then I'm gonna split it. I'm gonna add some banana peppers. I'm making a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. And then we can't forget our sriracha, our chipotle. Mm. That's the style that I'm gonna make later. You know what I'm saying? How the fuck did that happen? Shit broke. Okay. Let's see. It looks really, oh shit. Not really aesthetic, but you know, I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna add this to my mud water. So I finally got it, and I'm gonna show you guys my coffee first. Mmm. And then this is how she looks. I'm gonna fuck this shit up. I'm just trying to think which one I want to eat. What side? I think this side's bigger. I think this side's fattier, but this side's longer. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna put this one aside. So I'm gonna get this started. Hold on, let me go shut this door. Okay, so we're gonna get the mukbang started. No, you guys already knew what went in this, so I'm gonna have to angle you guys over here. I go right there. Right there. Okay, cool. It's hot. Okay. Just take a moment to be grateful of all of the ingredients that I was able to make. I end up using the rest of what I had on the platter thing, and then I did add another tortilla to make it to where it wasn't gonna bulge out. Okay, so cheers. Mm-hmm. Mm. I just be adding just anything to the food that I eat. So I taste the banana pepper, the chipotle, the sausage link. Let's see what the second bite gives me. Okay. Cheese, avocado, egg, sausage, and onion. Mm. Mm. Onion, sausage, Mm. Mm. Tomato. Hold on. Okay, I had to edit it real quick. Mm. Sausage. Chipotle. And sour cream. Mm. Cabbage. Tortilla. Sausage. Mm. Chipotle. Sour cream. Banana pepper. Tomato. Um. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Banana pepper. Sausage. Turkey bacon. Eggs. Onion. Like it's not. You don't taste everything. You just literally and sriracha. Mm. Yep. 10 out of 10. Now I don't know if beans would have made this better, but oh my god. I was just trying to pause it so I could get some sips of this because it's like at 8:40. So give me a second. Okay. Since I've been trying this coffee, I have not had regular coffee. But yeah, guys, that was delicioso. It's so good. Jalapeno would have made it taste 10 out of a 10, like 1,000. But yeah, I will in fact make a part two if I do have some burps for you guys. But until then, I liked it. I like that I did this. I like having you guys come along with me and prepping the food. You know what I'm saying? Um, yeah. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hopefully you have a wonderful motherfucking weekend and next week. You know what I'm saying? Hope you have the rest of the best year ever. Bye. So this is gonna be a part two of my previous video. So I was going to do a second clip for you guys. So you guys could hear the aftermath. This is gonna be called the aftermath effects. Effects aftermath. Math after effects. After effects. After me eating like nobody's business. We need to have its own little series of when I do mukbang, we could do like a secondary video of the findings. These are the findings, guys. Let's drink and sip. Let's sip and talk. I don't know about what, but I had to have not myself with this because I second guess myself when it comes to the last bite. I don't know about all you guys, but that last bite is gonna dictate every experience after the fact of you eating. So that bite could be bomb as hell. You know what I'm saying? Or it could be a biggest regret of the whole meal. So I decided that I was not going to finish this. I decided that I was going to give my stomach a break and drink my coffee. And if I could finish this coffee and still want that, then that will be my reward. But anyways, you see my vision board back there, guys? I finally was able to get it up. I was able to get it up. I'm so excited because like my cat's about to like bounce on me. Look at wow 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 wow. Oh, kitty meow meow. Get it, Archie. Get it, Archie. Get it, Archie. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, Archie. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Meow 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 meow. Okay, sorry. Ding a ling a ling a ling. Come on, come back up here. Wow 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 wow. Come here, Archie. Yeah, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, bring it around. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it, and yeah, burping while I'm doing it. You know. Anyways, let's finish this coffee, okay? Because I be babysitting my coffee like nobody's business. I don't know if any of you out there babysit your coffee all day, but I have not been babysitting my coffee since I switched to the mud water. And I did get another brand of coffee mushroom, and we're gonna see how that one does. But I'm already almost done with this one. Kitty meow meow. He doesn't like it when I hold him though. Oh, now you're gonna let me hold you? Wow. See, he wants all this, but he don't give me no like let me hold him. He used to when he was a kitten. Memento. Okay, so I'm halfway done with this. But yeah, I hope you guys like. Bye.